Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone is fit and fine at home and doing exercise. So today I am going to do some compound exercises. Watch it carefully. So first exercise, or I am holding water bottles and you can hold anything which you can easily grab during exercise. So first exercise, stand like this, hold like this and move like this. 2, 3. Okay, do this exercise for 30 seconds. Next exercise, and take 15 to 20 minute rest in between next exercise. So next exercise I am going to do, watch it carefully. Okay, do 15 reps for this exercise and take 15 to 20 minute rest. Okay, next exercise. Do this exercise also for 30 seconds. Next exercise, do plank. If you are able to do on your elbows, go for it. If not, do like this. If not, should be on your knees, like this or like this. I am going to do like this. Okay, do plank for 30 seconds. And next exercise, do push-ups. If you are able to do push-ups on your toes, do on your toes. If not, do on your knees, like this. If you can do on your toes, do like this. If you are not able to do push up on your toes and knees, do with the wall, like this. Stand like this, hold like this, and go like this. Do push-ups as you can, and last but not the least, do cardio exercise. Cardio exercise should be like this. Okay, do cardio exercise at least 5 to 10 minutes. That is all from my side. Take care, do exercise, eat healthy, and make yourself fit and strong, and keep smiling.